Hello everybody, this is Alina.
And this is my dad.
We're going to try and fit a dash cam onto the car that I bought.
Yeah, from 2 months ago.
2 months ago. And it's an electric car and nobody would fit the dash cam for me because they don't want to touch it. The manufacturer, when I was buying it, apparently they were determined whether I buy it or not, they won't fit it. Believe it or not, I was so determined to have the dash cam on the car. And what did I do?
You bought,
CCTV.
Yeah, you bought CCTV.
Can you show them? Can you show them?
One question. The viewers might say, did the CCTV really work?
Yes, it did. Front of the car like that. And so I had one fitted at the back. So it wasn't a proper dash cam. Let me put this away. This is what I'm going to fit today. Yeah. So that's your camera and I'm going to show you what the other bits are. This is OBD. Now, I'm sure everybody knows that except me and some people like me. This is like a plug into a car on it. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, just slowly. It's got a switch on there as well. It's got a USB port on it. You can have any camera you like.
Yes.
Theoretically, I can even charge this camera.
You have this camera and that one. Make sure not to break it. If you do, you have to buy it again.
Yeah, the dash cam that we're going to fit today. Okay, yep. So you're going to find out, yep. Well done.
What?
Right, okay, so that's that.
These are all the papers if you want to read.
Your manual, we won't need that.
And there's a little card.
Yeah.
We got the dash camera. See,
Okay, do you want to...
how do we get it out?
Okay. Ooh, look at that. Okay.
It's really good quality.
Okay. Do you know what that is?
No, it's like a stick, but we'll find out what it is.
I have no idea.
There's some wires and more wires, and there's something
Can you take
in
it out?
here. 3.
Oh, that's the back camera.
There's a little
I think this is a wire as well. Oh, dear me.
wires. Oh my goodness me.
I don't know.
But these are, how do you open this? Oh, and if you...
But the car I have don't have a cigarette lighter.
No.
So I won't be using that. What's in there? Oh, there's more stickers.
More stickers.
And more stickers. So
Yeah.
we'll see you there then.
Yeah. Come on.
You've got everything, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay then.
I also got my studies.
Sunshine though.
This is our new car from 2 months. And my dad got close to it and he got the key. It will open automatically.
Okay. There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad, I just found another sticker.
Okay.
Yeah. What are you doing, Dad?
What I'm going to do, Alina, I'm going to move the car a bit so I can open the doors. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fit this.
I can literally sleep in here. So
It's at the back.
yeah, there's another.
Okay, Alina, now that we are in the car, okay, I'll show you port that I found to fit the dash cam. Okay? Okay. So, Alina, you're sitting there?
The steering wheel is really
very
good.
nice. Okay,
quality.
now, Alina, I'm going to show everybody where we're going to fit the dash cam. Oh, there it is. Yes? So it's just by... Okay. Yeah? So I'm going to show you...
I don't have a question, but I want to show you something. On here, there's something like this. And when you press that, this comes.
Give me your finger. Yes, okay. This is well, Alina.
And that.
So this is the first bit with the OBD like I'm talking about. So that's, we're gonna just plug it in. That's the back camera. So yeah, go on then.
What are these stickers? There's some.
You stick that first and then you stick your camera. The reason it's easier to take out. Okay, and I'm gonna I'm gonna leave that for later. We already decided we're gonna fit the camera here. Okay, we want to make sure we start from here. I've decided we're going to fit the camera here. Now,
oh yeah,
so I've got enough wires going into it, so in case I need more wires, I need to go on the other side. Try and, this is what I need, okay, to help me. So I'm gonna,
one question.
yeah,
How, if the thing is all stuck, how can you fit it in? And if you want to take it out, how can you take it out? If this bit, you know, this fluffy bit is all stuck.
and hopefully, there you go. Can you see that? Well done. Okay. So now we're gonna go down, use this tool, okay? It'll be easier to go that way. Can you show this bit here? So I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna dot where, so that's where I need to go. So there you go. Okay. And there you go. Can you see that? So I'm here now. Okay. All I need to do is tidy up and plug it in. Okay. So I'll be in a minute. I'll see you in a minute. Okay. I'm here now. So I've tucked all the wires through here. Now here. And I'm gonna just see if I can fit it here. Yep. That's fine. I'm not gonna do it now. That's the first bit done. Okay. The camera is here. The back camera. This is the end bit. Make sure you know which way around. This is the bit we want in the front. That's where the front camera goes. Show you. So make sure you don't get confused. That's where the back camera goes. Like the other wire, I'm going to have enough wires there. So I have enough. Do the same thing and I'll show you. I'll meet you roughly about there. Okay. And then when I'm finished, I'll show you the rest. So
I'm drawing my signature. I'm drawing that.
one of the wires come down, go down, and it's here. The back camera come in at the same point, and if you can see a bit closer, so I'm here now, okay? Now I'm gonna go up that way, okay? So I'll meet you at the back, okay? So I'm up here now, okay? So I've come down to here, I'm almost in, wiggle it in, okay? So I'll see you there. Right, so I need to come at the back seat. I don't know if you can see it a bit closer. So I'm gonna try and just push them in a bit. And it's gone inside actually. And then I'm gonna go around. Oh, that's really good. Okay, now you can, so I'll see you about there, okay? So I can't reach all the way, so I'm going to get in the boot. Can you see where I am now? Yeah, so I'm here now. I think I'm going to put it somewhere here. So where the best place to put my back camera? So yeah, it would be somewhere here. I think I'm going to put it there, yeah? So, okay, so I'm going to get on the boot. Okay, so it's the back camera. Okay, so the wire is there. It's almost there, but I've got to, the camera is going to go there, so you can't come on the book. Okay, thank you. All right, the camera is going to be there, so I'm going to try. I've never done this before, so I'm going to try and bring it up here, and hopefully I can get it to there. Yeah, so I'll see how that goes in a minute. So I'll be back. Had to do a bit of DIY because, but I made one of this. I may not need it. So if you can see that, I've already taken this out. So the wire needs to go here and come up here. Do that. So I'm already inside. So I've already brought it through there. Can you see that? So I'm already out. So I need to bring this here. So that's going to be a bit of a drag. So be patient with me. So I'm here now. Okay. So I'll see you in a minute when I'm here. It was the hardest bit for me. Yeah. I literally had to put the wire through here and bring it up here. It worked. So I was a bit cautious because you don't want to damage the wires here to see. You need managed to do the back camera. I'm going to fix the front camera. As you can see, it's all wired up. Can you remember I left it a bit longer just in case I need it, so I'm going to right. I've just managed to stick that in there. If you come closer, you can see it's, so that's fine. I'm quite happy with that. Looks, that's the best I can do. I'm going to show you where the back camera is. That's where my back camera is, so it's nicely fitted. You might not be able to see much, but I'm going to take the CCTV camera that I had, so I'm going to take it out. Right, so this is what was fitted at the back of the car, CCTV camera. Now I've got the dash camera.